They made fun of her dream. Intermediate, B2. Emily was always a sweet girl with a shy smile and eyes full of dreams. From a very young age, she knew exactly what she wanted to be: a ballerina. While other children played outside, Emily spent hours watching classical ballet videos, fascinated by the light movements, the flowing dresses, and the music that seemed to touch her soul. She knew the names of the steps, recognized famous choreographies, and practiced alone in her bedroom, using the mirror as her imaginary audience. But there was something that always tried to dim her light. Emily was chubby, and for many people around her, that was enough to say she would never become a dancer. Every time she talked about her dream to her friends, they laughed. "A ballerina? You?" they said. "That's only for skinny girls." Her brothers were even worse. "Wake up, Emily," one of them joked. "You're too heavy for that." She pretended not to care, but every word hurt deeply. The only person who never doubted her was her mother. Every night, when Emily returned to her room, sad and quiet, her mother sat beside her, held her hands gently, and said, "My daughter, everything is possible when you truly want it with all your heart. If you love dancing, study, practice, and never give up." Those words became the strength behind her dream. Even with fear and shame, Emily kept dancing in secret. Her bedroom became her stage. The bed was her audience. The music played in her headphones, and there, alone, she felt free. Whenever she could, her mother took her to classical ballet performances. Emily watched every movement carefully, every jump, every turn, every expression. She studied with her eyes and with her heart. While watching, she imagined herself on that stage. The applause, the lights, her dream becoming real. But reality always returned. "That will never happen," her brother said. "Stop dreaming." And her heart would sink again. One day, Emily went to school and discovered there were no classes. Most students left, and the gym was almost empty. She sat on the floor, put on her headphones, and played a ballet video on her phone. The music started softly. Emily closed her eyes. She let the music guide her body. Without noticing, she began to dance. She spun, jumped, and moved her arms with grace. Her feet followed the rhythm naturally. In that moment, there were no laughs, no insults, no fear, only love for dance. What Emily didn't know was that a few students had returned and were silently filming her. When she finally noticed them, her face turned red with embarrassment. She ran away. That same day, the video was posted online. At first, the comments were painful. "A chubby ballerina? What a joke. She dances well, but her body doesn't fit ballet." "This will never work," Emily cried. But something unexpected happened. Among the hateful words, thousands of people wrote, "She's amazing. You can feel her passion. She has real talent." The video spread quickly. In just a few days, it went viral. One day, a famous ballet school director saw the video. She was a woman with many years of experience and had trained great dancers. She watched it once, then again, and again. Her eyes filled with emotion. She didn't see a girl who was different. She saw passion. She saw natural technique. She saw discipline hidden behind fear. She saw potential. "This girl is special," she said. The next day, Emily received an invitation to audition at one of the best ballet schools in the country. She couldn't believe it. With her heart racing, she went with her mother. She danced nervously. She danced scared. But she danced with her soul, and she was accepted. Emily began training with the best dancers. She worked hard every day, improving her strength, balance, and technique. People admired her dedication. The girl who was once mocked was now respected. At school, classmates treated her differently. Her brothers, ashamed, apologized. "We were wrong," they said. "You always had talent." Emily smiled, but she never forgot who believed in her first: her mother. And so, the girl who once danced in silence began to shine on real stages. Emily learned something she would carry forever. Dreams don't need a perfect body. Dreams need effort. Dreams need courage. And when you truly want something, work for it, study for it, and believe. The universe finds a way to open doors. Always believe in yourself.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment your favorite part.
Forever. Why